As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin give us here a red candle. People there with me also we enter along, we still holding it, the market fall down till down here. We hedge it and we enter another long. Now we are in a little bit of profit. We wanted to go more higher for us to close it. Now here, what is it the view? Because a lot of things happening here. Also we think it is going to happen same like how it happened here and Bitcoin to go above. But there is no power to bring those moving averages we got here, and Bitcoin fall down again to that 100 moving average here in the daily. By the way guys, before I continue, we want that video to reach to 300 likes. Yes my friend, you watching me now and know you haven't smashed that like button. So please my friend, go now and disaster that like button which is down if it's possible. You've done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also today we enter a short in a shit coin or meme coin, his name ERC. It went very well. We enter another short in a meme coin, his name Lista. Till now it's showing as if it's going to reverse on us. We enter a long in Bitcoin. So if you are interested in those type of signals my friend, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. Click at join that one and that one. Finish payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that another daily candle here, it closed like that bad. Let me be honest with you, the only things there is no volume to push the Bitcoin more down, plus there is rumors it's saying there is no Bitcoin in exchanges and exchanges they run out of Bitcoin. We've been discussing that today. So now what's going to happen in the coming days, we don't know guys. Maybe there is no bear market, maybe the bear market that where we are now, but for my view personally, it showed me here based on that indicator here, also we enter to a bear market here in the daily guys. As you see it here, we enter here to bear market. That means those days here where we are in a bear market, and the sentiment here we are in the bear market. So that the bear market in Bitcoin those days. What the view? I will be honest with you guys, if you're holding any Bitcoin spot, don't sell it. Bitcoin spot, it's not for selling, and if you saw a dump, buy again. Bitcoin guys is something unique. It's the first time in the history of that planet we're living in we got something like that, because any other asset when it's run out of the market, what happened to it? They produce new of it. Bitcoin, there is no new of it. Bitcoin, it's something unique. So if you're holding Bitcoin my friend, don't sell it, just try to buy more. That's the only things I can tell you. Now here, based on technical analysis, we got that level here, that one here. We need to see if the Bitcoin going to fall down to test it again, 90k, and from there we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming days. That's my view personally guys. Another very important thing here in daily, let me show it to you. Here in daily guys, that candle here will close here in that level. It's breaking for us that 100 moving average as you see it here. That very bad guys for that market. Let's see now what's going to happen if the Bitcoin going to fall down to test for us that 79k, and if that happen it's going to be very bad. But we're going to sell his Bitcoin. That the question you need to ask yourself. Where is the Bitcoin is going to be sold? For us to sell the Bitcoin is going to dump to 79k guys. That way me I told you, don't short Bitcoin. If you're going to short it with futures guys, and buy the spot. Remember that, always buy Bitcoin spot and short it by futures. That the only things. No, we got that one here. You remember what else we talking about here about the Bollinger Band. So being telling you, let's hope the Bollinger Band will not make that squeeze down, and that's what it's showing here. We break here the 100 moving average. Let's see today candle is going to come out to cross above here for us to see Bitcoin going back above, even though one is possible, guys. So I think I explained everything. Today we got very important news coming, guys, so you need to be careful. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF plus liquidity heat map. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, and the Bitcoin ETF yesterday, what we saw, as you see it here, that's what happened yesterday, is an outflow. Even that BlackRock, they haven't buy a lot, they buy only 574 Bitcoin, but the rest, all of them, they sell. Fidelity, they sold 1.41k. Today, the same thing is an outflow day, as you see it here. BITB, they sold 95 Bitcoin. EasyBC, they sold 112 Bitcoin. BTCW, they sold 72 Bitcoin. The total Bitcoin being sold today, 281. And we don't got the data of BlackRock and Fidelity. We need to wait them to see what's going to happen. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see liquidity heat map. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the liquidity heat map. As you see it, we got a lot of stops here in the top. Down, we don't got nothing. In the normal days, we will see the Bitcoin going above to hit all those stops here. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. Bitcoin try to give us here a big double bottom here. Let's see it if it's going to be break for us the neckline and to win to liquidate all those ones above. That's possible, guys. Or maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down to liquidate those ones down. If we go from here from 24 hours to weekly to see the bigger picture. Here we are, guys. In the weekly, we don't got a lot of stops down here. Yes, we got some here, but the majority of the stops are above here. Let's see if the Bitcoin going to go above to liquidate those ones here. Even that one it's possible, but if it fall down, even down here we got some stops, but not a lot compared to those ones above. That's the view, guys. Bitcoin, there is no clear direction based on the liquidity heat map. We got above stops and down here stops, so everything is possible. So I think I explained everything to you guys here. Now it's going to see the coming news of today, so let's go in there. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it, that the news we got today. Today is a very important day. Also, we tell it to you when the weekly candle close. Today we got the core CPI or inflation data of USA is going to come at 130. The forecast here it's showing is going to come 2.9 like the previous one. And that's bad, guys. Plus we got Fed Chair Powell testify like today. We need to be careful about that person, what he going to say. And we got crude oil inventory and 10 years action, but the most important CPI data or inflation plus the Fed Chair Powell. Over here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day here in that channel, guys. Look at that, what it's telling us. Nasdaq closed the day red, but there is no huge move. SP500 closed the day green, but 0.04. Dow Jones, same thing, closed the day green, 0.28%. And there is no huge move. Our friend down here, the VEX, as you see it, guys, currency fair is staying at his place, 16.02. That's mean there is nothing to be worried about. Just hold your crypto and relax, my friend. That's the only things I can tell you. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin in 12 hours. The Bitcoin today, it's breaking for us the 200 moving average here in 12 hours. That's why Mia said is very bad for Bitcoin, guys. There is a huge correction going to happen. Let's wait and see if we're going to see volume. That the big question we need to ask. If we solve the volume, maybe we're going to see Bitcoin dumping. But like where we are now, there is no volume, guys, so everything is possible. Next level you need to look at it is it that one here, plus the levels you need to see them today here in Bitcoin in 12 hours. Let me show it to you. Those ones the levels levels. We told you that one here of 98k. We came back to it. We tested, then we fall down. Another level, that one here 102, 603. That one where we are 95, 486. Plus we got that one down here 90, 808. Those ones the levels you need to look at them closer today. If the Bitcoin fall down to 90, 808, you need to buy from it, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. Then if we break it, we got another level down here at 85 or 93. So those ones the levels you need to look close at them. Now let's go into see the XRP, what they're doing today, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the XRP or Ripple in daily. XRP, may I tell it to you, is going to fall down to test here that 100 moving average, which is exactly now at 2.16. I tell you that it's going to fall down to it, and I told you need to be careful about that one here, that double top here in the XRP. If the XRP going to break it, maybe going to fall down to that level here of the 200 moving average, which is exactly at 1.36. That the only things. Now also here in the XRP we are in a downtrend. There is no buying yet, guys. XRP, I tell it to you, is too expensive now. XRP, you need to buy it when it falls down below 0.5. At this level 2, something like that, is very expensive, so don't try to buy it. Wait it till it falls down below $0.50. That's the right time for you to buy it. If we go from here, from daily to 4 hours, let me show you here the XRP, what it's saying today. Here in the 4 hours, guys, XRP tried to break for us, but very quickly fall down. But me, I give you here the entry. I told you it's need to break for you here. He couldn't break it. Look at it, guys. He give you here triple bottom, but he couldn't break the neckline for the XRP to go back to 2.81. Now what the view is telling you is going to fall down more than that. The only things now, if you want to catch it or you want to short it, what you need to do, you can like that. I show you that one before. I told you got here an uptrend. You need to wait it to be broke here for you to catch a short. For long I told you same thing like that. So you got here a symmetric triangle. You waited where it's going to be broken for you to catch an entry. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum. We do it today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Ethereum, same thing. We got here that symmetric triangle here in the Ethereum. We need to be waiting where it's going to be broke. Above, more long. If it's getting broke down here, you can go more short with it. People that are with me also, we buy from here. We buy, but not huge amount. We are waiting. I'll show you why. Let me show you why. Also, we buy the Ethereum because we said we got here that down channel here in the daily. Is it that one here? We said we touch it here. Maybe the Ethereum is going to go back to touch the top of the down channel. But here in the daily, the Ethereum is giving us another picture, guys. What is it, the picture here? In the Ethereum in daily. You see it, you are in a very sharp downtrend and it's breaking for you even the 200 moving average. What that telling you? It's telling you is going to fall down, and me I told it's going to fall down till the 2,100 till $2,000, and from there you can try to buy. People that are with me also, we haven't buy a lot, we have buy a little bit. We wanted to DCA like that. So if you want to benefit from those signals, you can join our VIP Discord. We're giving their daily signals. Now let's go into see our indicator we're saying today in the Ethereum, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, he touched here that wall, but very quickly go back to the place where is the bears they controlling. That meant the sentiment of that market is telling us we still in a bear market. There is nothing changed, so also we need to go with it. Exactly for those ones they use a leverage. There is no long yet. Only short, guys. Remember those things very, 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 very well. Now let's go in to see Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin came back to that zone here. Also, we're talking about it a lot here. We said we got here now like a pennant here, as you see it here. And that one, if it's getting broke here, maybe it's going to go more higher, guys. But number one scenario. Number two scenario, what is it? We came to that one here because if you see with me, look from that tail here to that one here. What you seeing, guys? We got here an uptrend, and you can come and do it like that, and you connected with that one, but also we are focusing just about that one. If it's breaking here, that meant Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that, guys. Now let's see what's going to happen. Now here it's showing to us as if it's going to reverse. Let's wait and see what's going to happen here in the coming hours. If it's going to reverse to where, just to touch here that downtrend here, then after that to give us a new low, because as me I show you before, us we stay in here playing, guys. Another very important here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? You remember that 20 moving average, we break it here, but the Bitcoin, it doesn't got any power to push more higher to go to touch for us the 200 moving average and very quickly go back down. Why? Because we got here that 50 moving average in the daily and very quickly we fall down again. Now we are in the same zone as we been waiting before. As you see it, guys, here. And what the view maybe is going to come back again to touch for all that 20 moving average here in 4 hours. So everything is possible, guys. Now it's going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's enter here to the place where is the bulls they're controlling, but very quickly go back to the place where is the bears they're controlling. What that telling you? Yes, my friend, what it telling you? It telling you one thing. All the market sentiment is at bearish, guys. No bulls in that market. That's why me I told you maybe we're going to see a huge dump coming to the Bitcoin. Because as you see it, guys, there is no one want that Bitcoin to go above. If we got bulls, when we came here, well, we see it Bitcoin pumping, but no one is buying. Everyone is shorting it, guys. So you need to be careful, my friend. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's going to see it Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here, as yesterday we enter from here. Market, it fell down till here. Me, I will be honest with you guys. If I was awake, well, the from here, when it's breaking here, we'll have a close my long. And we'll have a enter a short. Because look at that, a big double top is getting broke there. I show it to you in yesterday thumbnail of the video. The only things it happened when it was night here. Now here, same thing. It tried to show us a double bottom. If it came and breaking for us the neckline here, you need to enter a long. People there with me, what we do? We enter a long from here, from that zone here. We aiming the Bitcoin to come back. It came back till that zone here. Now let's we see where it's going to go. Not for long, for short we got here, that double top here. You see it here, that one here. If the Bitcoin fall down and breaking here, we're going to go more down with it. Not the view personally, guys. Now let's see where it's going to go. Another very important thing here. You see it, guys. What you got here? You got here a small head and shoulder here. That one here. And if it's breaking here, it's going to go back above. Or else we still waiting what's going to happen here in 30 minutes. We got another very important thing here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? Our indicator is it at the extreme oversold area level. Also, we are in a very strong level. Should we enter along? People there with me, also we enter from down here based on 5 minutes. But now here for swing trading, let's make it like that. It's need to break here for us to think in the Bitcoin is going to go back till the top. Because if we're looking at the down indicator, let me show you those things. We got here a divergence, guys. You see it, that one here? It's a divergence, very clear divergence here, like that. And the one here, like that. We got a divergence, guys. The only price action we got now is it the one here. You can even add to it something like that. You can do like that, like a downtrend, and you wait it to be broke. Even the one it's possible, but the most important it's need our indicator to come to the place where the bulls they controlling for you to enter along. So I think I explained everything to you guys, but the Bitcoin from here is going to go back, guys, till the top here. Remember that. At least to that zone here. That one here of 97,500 or something like that. If you want to benefit from those type of signals me I'm talking about here, and you want to be updated more quicker, because I know some of you they are going to see the video late. If you want to be updated every minute, you can join our VIP Discord where we are, me and my team, available 24 there. If you are interested, of course, the link is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, then you can join us. So that's it for that video, guys, and please guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button, write with it a comment, and if it's possible you can share that video in any social media platform you want. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.